updating your legal name on your Revolut account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once you are in the app, tap on the profile icon, usually located in the top left or right corner. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Personal Information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SWOG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your legal name. Find the section for your legal name and tap on it to edit. Enter your new legal name as it appears on your official documents. Ensure that the spelling and format are correct. Step 5. Submit verification documents. After updating your name, you may be prompted to upload verification documents such as a marriage certificate or court order. Follow the instructions to upload the necessary documents for verification. Once you have completed these steps, your request will be processed, and you should receive a confirmation once your legal name has been updated. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Revolut's customer support for assistance.